Did you know? Testosterone, male sex hormone, is reduced by 1% per year after age of 30. As they age, experience changes in their energy levels, mood, and physical strength. The answer lies in a little molecule called testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Testosterone plays a crucial role in shaping the life of a man. It's the force behind his energy, his muscle strength, his sexual drive, and even his cognitive abilities. But as the years roll on, this potent hormone begins to decline. So why does this happen? The science behind it is quite fascinating. As a man steps into his 30s, his body begins a subtle but steady process of change. The testosterone production in his body drops by a small yet significant 1% each year. It's a natural process, much like the changing of the seasons or the setting of the sun. Now you might wonder, why does this 1% matter? Well, accumulate this 1% over 10, 20, or 30 years and it begins to add up. This gradual reduction may lead to noticeable changes in a man's body and behavior. He might begin to feel tired more often, lose some of his muscle mass, or find his interest in physical intimacy waning. The magic of science allows us to understand this process in simpler terms. Think of it as a car running out of fuel. As the fuel level drops, the performance of the car begins to decline. The same happens with the human body. As testosterone levels drop, so does the body's performance. In summary, testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, starts to decline at the rate of 1% per year once a man reaches his 30s. This gradual reduction impacts various aspects of a man's life, from his energy levels and muscle strength to his sexual drive and cognitive abilities. It's a natural process that every man goes through as he ages. Understanding this process is not about fearing it, but about embracing it. It's about knowing the changes your body goes through and finding ways to maintain your health and vitality. After all, aging is a part of life, and understanding it is the first step towards navigating it gracefully. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share this video with others who may benefit from this information. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so don't forget to leave a comment below.